Hello guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oil ends below 100 again as Biden admits to okay an Iran deal in United States interest. Investing.com, the White House says an Iran nuclear deal that's good for the United States will be good for the Biden administration, and that was enough to send oil tanking back to below 100 billion a barrel on Thursday. If it is in our best interest, the United States will agree to the Iran deal, with House spokeswoman Karine Jean-Pierre told a media conference Thursday, as back and forth effort to revive Iran's 2015 nuclear deal with global powers went for again, threatening to deliver an additional 1 million barrels per day of crude into the market should Tehran with reprieve from United States sanction. The White House latest response to the negotiation around Iran forced Brent crude to settle down 1.88 or 1.9% at 99.34 per barrel as the London Trade Global benchmark for oil gave up its soundest hold in the 100 territory it had occupied for just 2 days. Prior to Thursday's slide, Brent reached a height over the past week, rallying in 5 sessions out of 6 after hitting a 6-month of low 91.71 on August 16. New York traded West Texas Intermediate, the benchmark for United States crude, settled down 2.31 or 2.4% at 92.52 per barrel. Like Brent, WTI had risen in 5 of the past of 6 sessions, climbing from a 6.5-month on August 16 to 75.73 earlier on Thursday. Granted that there's been a lot of back and forth on Iran over the 20 months of this administration, and even now, there's no guarantee that the deal will be restored, said John Kilduff, founding partner at New York energy hedge fund Gain Capital. But the latest noise on this that have emerged from both the White House and Tehran have been positive, and that's a negative for oil prices if it means having what would be a ballpark figure of some million additional barrels per day landing on the market. Prior to the White House's comment on Thursday, the State Department said the United States has conveyed its official response to the European Union's proposal to salvage the 7-year-old agreement. Iran also confirmed that it had received the United States response. The careful study of the views of the American side has started, and Iran will share its comments with the coordinator upon completion of the review, said a spokesman for Iranian Foreign Minister Nasser Kanani. The nuclear deal, officially known as the Joint Comprehensive Plan of Action, is critical to ending United States sanction on Iranian oil export and allowing Tehran's legitimate return to the export market for oil. Talks between Iran and global powers led by the EU have dragged on for 20 months since President Joe Biden entered office. Biden's predecessor, Donald Trump, was the one who canceled the 2015 agreement in 2018, putting sanctions on Iran. Talks between Iran and global powers led by the EU have dragged on for 20 months since President Joe Biden entered office. Biden's predecessor, Donald Trump, was the one who canceled the 2015 agreement in 2018, putting sanctions on Iran. Lately, Iran has made several concessions to try and get the deal ratified. On Monday, it dropped its demand for the lifting of the terrorism designation that had been placed on the IRGC, or the Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps. The IRGC is Tehran's elite security force blamed for many terror acts around the world. Iran dropped its demand that the United States stop listing the IRGC as a terrorist organization under the State Department's watch list. The demand has been one of Iran's sticking points that have held up the restatement of the 2015 nuclear deal. On Tuesday, Iran went another step, giving up the block it had placed on the inspection of sites in Iran believed to be linked to uranium enrichment. Tehran had previously wanted the International Atomic Energy Agency to close its investigation of undeclared nuclear material found at certain Iranian sites in 2019. Now it was no longer making that demand, a senior official of the Biden administration told CNN on Tuesday. I think that's all maybe from me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye!